So welcome everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. So as you all know that US market due to US has credit ratings, for the downgradation, market has corrected, from the top in the both market, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty Finance, and US market is also negative in the last day. So for tomorrow our analysis will be, if you see, the Nifty Finance, if you start with that. So Nifty Finance, it is almost near of its support. Okay, so this 19,900, this level is very important for us, and now 20,238, this zone is will act as a very good resistance area. Similarly, in 50 minutes time frame, if we came that, you will find that it is now it has taken support from almost 19,959, and it has closed in around 20,066 somewhere here. So for tomorrow our analysis will be, if market open 50 to 60 point gap up or gap down somewhere in 20,129 to 19,967, between this range, if market open, we have to wait a bit, let market decide, right? If market open gap up, come in this range, take a test, then we can plan for long. And similarly, if it is break this range, if it is break 19,950, don't go for selling directly. Okay, if you go below 19,900, you to stop loss will be 20,000, but you have to be very strict with yourself, because 19,900 is a very crucial support. Okay, there are two possibilities. If this line 19,900 given breakdown, then it can came in this range, can take support from here, and then can give, from this upward movement. Otherwise it can came here, take a retest, and then continue its target. Okay, so this is the two possibilities, so that's why we have to be very careful in this range for Nifty Finance, especially. So we have to see, let me remove that drawing first. So our analysis will be very simple. Let market break, either was 19,900 in this range, or this 20,100, this range, the rejection area, it will also act as a very good resistance area. So we are only going to initiate our trade above breakout or breakdown basis. Otherwise the market came here, stay in this range, we should wait a bit, because the possibilities are key market also can consolidate. It has given a very good direction and move today, so it has chances ki it consolidate in this range. So below 19,900, if it is break, we can plan for selling further. So our target will be, we have to move backwards. So here our below 19,900, our target will be, if you see that this area 19,822, and if it is also given a breakdown, then 19,700, this is the previous resistance zone. This zone also can act as a very good support area for Fin Nifty. Okay, so and if it is break of 20,200 in this range, after the 20,100, 20,200, 100 point the target. I hope if it is break this level, we'll get this target in very good short time. And above that 20,100, we should wait, because market, if you see that market has given downside move, make bearish pole and flag kind of patterns, and then came in this range area. So it has also possibilities market further test this level, and then given and further breakdown. Okay, similarly, if we move towards bank nifty, also, if you see that it has taken support from this previous support area. This zone is very important area. The zone is coming around this 20,000, 44,492, in this range. This zone is 44,550 to 750 to 550, in this range. It is a very important area. And for tomorrow our analysis will be very simple. If it is given in 15 minutes time frame, if we move that, if it is open flat, just ignore, let market decide what it want to do. So this zone is very important, you have to watch very carefully this area. Okay, so the zone is let me draw that. So this zone is very important. So we are going to initiate our trade above breakout of this range. And similarly, if it is 44,750, the zone, why I am saying that, like fin nifty, bank nifty also, it is a very important area, because if it is given a breakdown of this range 719 below, okay, we are, directly, can reach towards 44,550. In this range we can get very good target, and very, it will be, very short trade. Okay, we will not take, consume very much time. So that's why 44,719, it's after breakdown 44,551. Because see what can happen, market came here and directly take reversal from here. So that's why these zones are very important zone. Play very carefully in this range. Similarly, if 44,100, 45,100, if it is even breakout, then the next target will be 44,200 to today's high, 247, 44,300. All this level also can be tested for, bank nifty. Okay, so this is simple analysis for bank nifty. And if I now move towards the nifty finance, sorry, nifty, let me move towards the 1 hour time frame first. So see, 1 hour time frame, we get better directions for nifty. Okay, so 19,400, this zone is very important area for nifty. 19,400, 405 in the market has came near of that, 19,420, that low it has made today. So our analysis will be very simple. For the selling only happened below 19,400, and below 19,400, 19,315. See this level, it has tested multiple time. So this level also can be tested if it is given down move. And similarly, I have discussed like nifty, bank nifty, nifty and nifty, fin nifty and bank nifty. This zone is very important area. Further up move only expect above this range. If it is given a breakout of this range, we can get very good target around 19,000, 600 to 633. In this range market can come very easily, and it is given break out of this range as well, then a more upside movement also possible. Okay, and similarly below 19,400, in between in this range, don't initiate any trade, because as it is given a very good momentum, and it can consolidate for a day, and then it can also given, for further movement. So below 19,400 you can plan for further selling. 19,320 to 300, in this range market can come. And the most important area, that is 19,200, 200 to 250, in this range is a gap. This is a very important area. So this zone will be decide, where market is going, going want to go. And if you see that, it is on the way to make an head and shoulder kind of patterns. If you, I'm not drawing that right now, but you can imagine that shoulder, this is a head, and if it is come in this area for the retest, then and the shoulder also can be formed. Okay, so this is the three index. And if I now move toward the stocks, so the first stock is Reliance. Reliance, in, if you see that 2472 is the very important area. If we found that it is given breakdown of 2472, then a very good target we can expect around 2428 to 2400. If it is also given breakdown, then 2400, this range also can be tested for upcoming days. Okay, so it has tested multiple times in 15 minutes time frame. If you see, it has tested multiple times. So possibilities are there. If it is open flat or gap up, little bit of gap up, whenever you find that it is coming in this range, given breakdown of this range, you can go for selling and you will get a very good target for sure. Okay, and the next stocks are, which are, showing some support. Today it has showing some support. Stocks like Britannia. If you see that Britannia, it is, for tomorrow basis, intraday basis I'm talking about, it is on the way of making double kind of patterns. So if it is open flat or gap up or gap down, with the stop loss of max to max 20 to 23 rupees will be your stop loss. Okay, 4820 will be your stop loss. This is the high that it has making today, 4820. And you can plan your very good trade after the breakout of 4843, and you will get very good target around in this range, 44900 somewhere here. You should book your profit, and you will get a, very good profit, more than 1 is to 3, more than 1 is to 3. three and a half, the risk to reward ratio that is coming. Okay, so you can watch for that in Britannia. And similarly, the next stocks I'm going to discuss, that is PVR. So PVR, it has, the last day it has earnings. It has disclosed its earnings, and it has, I think, not make some losses, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So and it has, if you see the daily time frame, it has this is a previous resistance area 1594, but it has given a very good breakout as well. With, if you see, this is a very good volume area. So there are, both side we can get very good, target. And if it is given a breakout of 1620 with the stop loss of max to max 10-15 rupees stop loss, you will get more than 1:2, 1:3. And similarly, if it is break this range, the range is around 1594. If it is break this range, you can plan for selling as well. Then 1560, 1.40, it will be a very good target. If it is break this range, then it will consider as a false breakout. So the more upper lower side target can come in upcoming days. And as usual, as you know, the trend is going on that before result, stock may suddenly pump up, and after the result, if it is result, although the result is good, stock shows some profit, very good profit booking. And in this case, it has given some losses, if I'm not wrong. So let's see what happened. So 1622 above, you can plan for buying with the street stop loss, and you will get very good target. And you can, if you shift to resell, trail your resell, you also can consider it for positional basis. And similarly, for intraday basis, if it is given breakdown, you can go for selling, and you will also get 1:2, 1:3 target very easily. Okay, 1540, it is the important area. We should look very carefully somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here, this is a very good important support. In 1 hour time frame also, you will find that, see, this is a very good important support. So below that 1591, get a very good target around 1542 somewhere here. So the next stock, it is also from the consumer segment. So this stock is Tata Consumer. In 15 minutes time frame, it is making a bearish pole and flag kind of patterns, and all the levels are, I just analyze that. So I have already drawn that. If you see that pole and flag kind of patterns, with the max to max stop loss will be 844. Okay, and it has closes around 143. Max to max 1 and 1 rupees and 1.5 rupees will be your stop loss, and you will get very good target around 134. So you can watch that, analyze that. And here it has very good potential to give a very good target for tomorrow, for the breakdown perspective. Okay, so the next stocks I'm going to discuss, that is Coromandel International. So it has also giving a breakout of this previous resistance zone, and continuously taken support in this range. And it is, see, if you see that in a daily time frame, you will find that it has, after the making top, it has, halt, for a day, but it is trading at very good important support area. So after, if it is given 1021, if it is given a breakdown, so next target will be 1006 will be next target. And max to max, 8 to 9 rupees will be your stop loss, 7 rupees will be stop loss today's closing. And you will get more than 1:2, 1:3 here, you can get very easily. And the last stocks I'm going to discuss, that is Medico. Similarly, as all the, this segment is, HUL, Tata Consumer, all these stocks are, giving support to the market. So if market condition is good today, little bit of good, so above 564, or it is in a consolidation area. So for the support, this sector has to be perform well, pharma and FMCG, this both sector. So above 564, it has very good potential to reach 572, 573 in this range for Marico. But it has some problem, like it is very slow moving stocks. So don't go for, if it is has very good volume, then go for, options. Otherwise, planning cash or in the future, and here the risk will be minimum, and we'll get a very good profit for sure. Okay guys, so that's all for this video, and I will share the result. The last day I was, due to some reason I was unable to make the video for analysis video, but I am trying my best, to perform every day my video, upload my video. So that's all, and I will of course share the result as usual. And best of luck for tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.